Shri B.A. Inamdar Sahib, Honorable Vice President, Professor Irfan Sheikh, other senior academician and my friend, my classmate, Principal Khan, many senior teachers and instructors of the computer education. I being a teacher, I first speak slowly so that all students are attentive and then my voice goes up. And the distinguished teachers on the campus and the student friends and my two brilliant colleagues from MKCL, Mr. Danny and Mr. Amit Ranade. I must say that when Inamdar Sahib called me and over the phone and said that you come to our campus, I instantly told him that I will come on 4th of February, and he instantly accepted that date. And I must tell you that I am simply overwhelmed by seeing this campus. And I must say that the kind of computing infrastructure, the kind of connectivity, the kind of educational resources, and the kind of management and the educational facilities which are created on the campus, they are not only the best, but they are a model for many other such campuses in India as well as abroad. And therefore, I would request all of you that you must first give a standing ovation to Shri Inamdar Sahib and Mrs. Inamdar and very nice. Thank you. Because friends, I tell you, and Principal Khan will tell, that when we studied, our school did not have even electricity. We sat on the floor. We did not have even the simple mats on the floor. Okay, we used to ourselves clean the floor and sit on the floor. Our teacher had one chair, one table and one blackboard.
Someone was lucky, he had the floor.
Floor.
I studied where it was under banyan tree.
And I was continuously feeling, as I was taken from one laboratory to other laboratory, I thought that, I am by mistaken born 50 years earlier. Had I been born now, I would have come to this campus to learn the computing technology. I keep moving to many campuses. I keep going to many states of this country, and I keep going to many countries in the world. Just 2 days ago, I was in Malaysia, which is a very big advanced Islamic country, and it has a formidable infrastructure. It has 10,000 schools, but all 10,000 schools put together have 1,24,000 computers, which is under the great vision of Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad. But 10,000 schools put together have only 1,24,000 computers. That means each school has approximately 12 computers in Malaysia. Whereas in this campus, you have 2,000 computers. Okay, so that is why I said that I am simply overwhelmed by seeing the facility. Another thing, in many leading countries and leading cities of this country, like Bangalore, okay, like Hyderabad, like Delhi, I have gone. But the schools have isolated computers, they are not networked. Okay, there is a very interesting law in computing that is called Metcalfe's law. If you keep one computer, second computer, third computer and fourth computer like this, isolated, not connected, and if each has a power 1, then 4 computers will have power 4. But if you network them together, then it has a power 16, that is 4 square. Okay, so the power that you have on this campus is 2000 square. Okay, because 2000 computers are in single optical fiber backbone and they are connected to the central server, and any resource can be studied from any computer. Okay, I personally admire the initiative that your educational institution has taken to create digital library. This particular concept in most of the institutions is only spoken about in seminars. Nobody actually implements it. Okay, and I'm very happy that all your principals, all your teachers, and your top management, what it shows is there is a strong leadership because of which only such resources can be created. Otherwise, each person will say, my resources are left to my thing, I will not share it on the common pool. Whereas here everybody has shared 15,000 books. I must tell you, friends, because you are inside the campus, you may not understand the value of this. If you go outside, and if you look at this institution from outside, then you will see that this is like a magic place.